Hey everyone, welcome to our channel that Tech and Deal. So here in this video, we'll be learning how we can use the jQuery get and set CSS classes to manipulate the style of an element, right? So in jQuery, how it is easier to manipulate the styles of elements by using some existing methods of jQuery we'll be learning here, right? So in jQuery, we have several methods for CSS manipulation, but we'll be learning these four major methods. One is addClass method, removeClass method, toggleClass method, and CSS method. AddClass method is used to add one or more classes to a selected item or selected element. RemoveClass is used to remove one or more existing classes to a or from a selected element. Toggle class method always works between add class method and remove class method. If you click on toggle, it will first add a class. Then if again you will click on this toggle class, it will remove the class. So we'll see how it is working practically. We'll see that. And the last one is the CSS method. How we can use the CSS method to apply some specific CSS properties and CSS values to an HTML element. Got it? Now we'll look into this practically how we can do that. So before that, you have to first open the Visual Studio Code, and then you have to add the HTML page I have added here, and also inside the body tag I have added four paragraphs here, you can see, with specific IDs. And in the paragraph 1 I have added one class, that is ABC, correct? And inside the header tag and inside the style tag, I have added the ABC class with specific CSS properties and values. Let me add two new CSS classes to show you the difference between the CSS methods, right? You can see here in para, second para, third para, fourth para, there is no CSS classes, but I have added here. One is new creator class with a specific, you can see, CSS properties, and also new toggle class with specific properties. Let me add the script here. Inside the script tag, you can see inside the script, always add the script tag or script codes, all the scripts inside the script tag that should be at the end of the body tag. You can see document dot ready function. We are always using the document dot ready function. Then dollar button 11 dot click means it will, you can see I have used this button 11. This is the ID of the button. If we'll click on this button, it will do some function or do some action to this paragraph elements. Let me show you one by one. Let me comment this all. Okay, so we'll look into this one by one, right? You can see here, if we'll click on this button, dollar button means it will click on this button, it will search for the paragraph whose ID is para 11, right? It will search for the paragraph, and from this paragraph it will remove the class ABC. Remove class method we are using to remove the existing class from this specific element, that is para 11. You can see here the ID, the paragraph 11 has the class ABC. Now let me delete this and let us check how it works now. Now the ABC class is applied to the paragraph 1, first paragraph. You can see the background color is different, right? So this is the implementation of the ABC class. Now our target is to remove this class from this paragraph 1 by using the remove class method. Got it? Now let me paste the same code again, run this code. Now if you click on this toggle class, it will remove the CSS class. Got it? It is working fine now. Now to check it out properly, how it is works, you can right click and inspect on the page, and you can check it out. In the para 11, the class, there is no ABC class here, right? The ABC class is deleted from the first paragraph. Got it? Now let's go back and check for the, now you can see remove class method is used to the remove used to remove the class ABC. Now let me check for the second paragraph. No need to comment it out. Delete this. Keep it as it is. Now for second paragraph, we are using the addClass method to add a new creator class. You can see this class. So our target is to add this new creator class to the paragraph 20, second paragraph, right? Which is having the IDs para 22, which doesn't have any class before. Okay. Now let's run it. Now click on the toggle class button. If we'll click on this, what it will do? It will add a new class to the second paragraph, and it will delete the ABC class from the first paragraph. Got it? Remove class applied to the paragraph 1, and the add class method applied to the paragraph 2. Got it? Add class method new creator added to the second paragraph. So let me check for the paragraph 3 by using the toggle class method. And inside the toggle class method, we have applied the new toggle class here, right? To the third paragraph. Got it? Now let's check how it works. With live server, if we click on this button, it will apply. See, it is deleted. The IBC is deleted from the first paragraph and applied some new class to the second paragraph, and it is applied another class to the third paragraph. Let me check it out by inspecting. You can see here in paragraph 3, it is added the new class, new toggle class, paragraph 2, new creator, and from paragraph 1, it is deleted the ABC1, right? The class ABC. Again, if you click on this, it will delete the class from the third paragraph because it is toggling the class, right? It will add the class, again it is delete the class. Got my point? Now let's check. So you can see we are using the toggle class method by for adding a class to an element or to delete a class from that element, right? So let's check it out for the paragraph 4 by using the CSS class method. Let me delete. Okay, I'll delete it. Now this is the CSS class method. You can see here we are using the CSS class method to the paragraph 4. So our target is to use some specific CSS properties and values by using the CSS class method to paragraph 4, right? Let me organize it properly. You can keep it like this. Background color. You can see then color is white. So you can see inside this CSS method, we have the CSS property here, and with a colon, you can see with a colon, we have CSS value here, that is black. If you have multiple, CSS properties to apply to an element, then you can keep it or separate this with a comma, right? So I have kept it with a comma. Let me do this like this. Okay. Now it is organized, right? So what we are doing here by using the CSS method, we are applying some what CSS properties and CSS values to an element. So here you have to add a CSS method and followed by a parenthesis. Then inside the curly braces, you have to add all your properties. Now let's run it. How it works? Click on this. Now it is not working, right? I think there is something wrong. We have missed something. You can see it is okay, color is white, it is correct. You can see it is id is correct. Okay, so we have missed the dollar here, right? If we will miss the dollar, then it will not work. Okay, now run it again. If you click on this, it will work, right? The background color got changed to black, and the color of the text you can see here got changed to white. Got it? So by using this css method also, we can apply some specific styles to the element. So now we are done with the topic. So thanks everyone for watching. Bye bye.